In today's video, we will talk about what happens after the age of 50. As you know, muscles or the body's strength naturally starts to weaken, muscle mass decreases. And the important thing is that at this age, it becomes extremely necessary not only to maintain your normal muscle mass, but your muscle mass should actually increase. Normally, we tell people that for the strength of their muscles, they should exercise. But many people who are 50 years old or older either cannot make time for exercise or do not have enough strength to do it. So in this video, my goal is to tell you specifically about the foods that make it possible for your muscle mass and muscle strength to grow. 3 conditions are important for these foods. The first condition is that these foods must be easy for you to digest. The second condition is that they must not harm your heart health, because at this age we have to take special care of the heart. And the third condition is that these foods must do their basic job, strengthen your muscles or increase your muscle mass. Foods I'm going to share with you fulfill all 3 conditions. Welcome friends to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. All this information is science-backed and research references are provided in the description below. The first food on this list is eggs. Eggs have an additional advantage in that they are easy to find. You can get them from your nearest market without any difficulty. We always recommend trying to use eggs from hens that roam freely outside or grass-fed hens instead of the typical farmed ones. Now, what is special about eggs? Not only are they extremely easy on the digestion, but they also contain high-quality protein. Inside eggs, there is a component of protein called leucine, which is particularly necessary for repairing your muscles. For everyday use, we suggest lightly frying eggs in minimal oil or simply boiling them. Do not fry them too much. You can also add eggs to various types of dishes. Eggs are the first food that is very helpful in increasing muscle mass. The second food that is very beneficial at this age is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a special type of yogurt that differs from regular yogurt because its whey protein is removed. Along with whey protein, lactose is also removed, and some people have allergies or issues with these components. Greek yogurt also has less sugar. So for people in this age group, Greek yogurt is beneficial because it contains high-quality protein that helps build muscles, and it also contains probiotics. And what are probiotics? You may already know that these are the good bacteria found in our gut. When you use Greek yogurt, not only does it help build muscles, but it also improves the health of your digestive system. So Greek yogurt is the second item on the list, and it should be used daily. The third food is cottage cheese. The special thing about cottage cheese is that it contains a specific protein called casein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein and enters your bloodstream gradually from your digestive system. Because of this, it gives a major benefit. Many people experience muscle breakdown during the night, and casein helps prevent that. Overnight, when muscles usually weaken or break down, people who consume cottage cheese see much less muscle damage. So the use of cottage cheese at night can be very beneficial. The fourth food, which you may have often heard about, especially among people who go to the gym to build muscles, is chicken breast. They're told to use the chicken breast portion, and we also recommend the same thing to people who are 50 years old or older. If you want to build muscle and are looking for the right food, chicken breast should be part of your diet because it contains lean protein. Lean protein is the most beneficial type of protein for you. It contains minimal fat, and in your day-to-day tasks, whenever your muscles need strength, like lifting anything, which in itself is a form of exercise, the growth and development of those muscles require lean protein. So chicken breast, which you may also see in the picture, should be used so that you get good protein and feel it as a blessing in your diet for building muscles. But many people do not eat meat or chicken and only eat vegetables. They want to know what the plant-based sources of protein are from which they can get high-quality protein. Some people also avoid meat at this age because they are told that eating any kind of meat may increase their risk of heart disease. For such people, lentils and chickpeas are excellent sources of high-quality plant-based protein. Not only does this help the heart, but it also helps the muscles because of the protein. But another big benefit is that lentils and chickpeas contain fiber, which improves gut health, something that can be problematic at this age. So it is very important for such people to use lentils and chickpeas more often. Another very useful food for people in this age group is something you may have heard of, a Japanese dish called tofu or soybeans. Tofu is not only a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our body does not produce but needs to form muscles. It contains all of them. Along with that, it also contains phytonutrients. These two things together help older adults by strengthening their muscles, reducing ongoing muscle breakdown, and increasing muscle mass. Next on the list are fatty fish, especially salmon. Salmon fish is extremely beneficial at this age because it contains 2 important things. First, omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation. When inflammation decreases in the body, including the muscles, muscle growth and strength improve. Second, salmon contains high-quality protein. Because of this protein, the muscle-building process called muscle synthesis becomes much more efficient. And just like omega-3 helps with recovery, the protein in salmon also helps the body repair itself after wear and tear. So people who are 50 years old or older should try to eat salmon regularly, at least twice a week. After that come almonds and walnuts, and if you use seeds along with them, like chia seeds or flax seeds, it is even better. They contain not only protein but also healthy fats. These 2 things provide energy, help muscles grow, and improve heart health. So people in this age group should definitely use nuts and seeds. Many people ask about quinoa and brown rice. What benefits do these foods provide at this age? Regular white rice is usually discouraged because its nutrients are stripped away. But brown rice and quinoa contain complex carbohydrates and protein. Another benefit is that if you do any physical activity, these foods give you sustained energy. It's not like you get instant energy and then suddenly crash. Instead, complex carbohydrates keep supplying energy gradually. After that comes milk and plant-based milks like soy milk. Many people ask whether these help their muscles after the age of 50. Milk contains calcium, vitamin D, and protein. These not only strengthen bones but also muscles. Many people cannot tolerate cow's milk because they are allergic to some components in it. Such people can use soy milk or almond milk and get the same benefits. Similarly, people ask about protein shakes, which contain whey protein or plant-based protein. These shakes not only help increase appetite for people in this age group, but also help with dental issues that are common in older age. The daily protein requirement is also easily fulfilled with these shakes. And since dental issues are common in this age, protein shakes help the teeth heal faster and prevent future dental problems. Finally, there are vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and kale. These contain antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber, which help strengthen muscles and keep the gut healthy. Antioxidants also reduce inflammation in the body, and inflammation is at the root of many diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. So these vegetables help reduce the inflammation that contributes to these conditions. So friends, these are the 12 foods that play a very important role in strengthening muscle mass after the age of 50, when the muscles naturally start weakening. Please share in the comment section what kinds of foods you prefer and what benefits you have experienced. Your personal experience increases the knowledge of many others. Like the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and press the bell notification. If any video is worth sharing, do share it. Take care of yourself and your family.